As an artist, I think most of us strive to improve our paintings and get our paintings to a higher level. Yet sometimes knowing how to do that can be a little bit complicated. And one of the most important things that there is to know how to finish a painting. Because many paintings, if they're not finished well, look childlike, look amateurish. They don't seem like they're finished, polished paintings that have a sort of professional, more serious look to them. Even though the technique may be great, even though the idea may be great, they're just not tied together well. So the goal would be to learn how to finish your paintings well so that everything is sitting and finished the way that you want, so that your paintings convince, whether they convince the judge, whether they convince the public, or they convince a potential buyer, or if they're just convincing yourself because you're looking at your paintings in your own living room. But the goal of improving our paintings becomes clear that you have to learn how to finish a painting well. You finish a painting well, you convince the public. You don't finish your paintings well, your paintings look more amateur. That's just the way it goes. So how did the artists of the past, how did they learn how to finish a painting? How did they actually learn this process? Because we learn how to plan a painting, we learn how to paint a painting. How did they learn how to finish a painting? That's something that I want to do this Monday, the 2nd of February. Now, we've been taking a deep dive over the last few weeks, Monday the 19th, Monday the 26th of January. We've taken a deep dive into what is the actual difference between an amateur painter and a professional painter, in their mindset, in their ideas, in the way they plan or work a painting, the way that professionals progress with their technique and with the quality of their paintings, where amateurs perhaps have that tendency to go around in circles. This week is fundamental on that same project, moving from amateur to professional mindset, because you have to tie your paintings together well. You don't want your paintings to be left with things that are not balanced, things that are not working, because it will lower the quality of the painting. It will not convince as much as you would like your paintings to do. So this Monday the 2nd, that's what we're doing. We're learning how to tie paintings together so that everything that we're doing is bringing a more finished, polished look to your paintings. So if you want to join me this Monday the 2nd of February, that is with pleasure. Feel free to paint along with me, and if you paint along with me, you'll get a critique of the painting that you've done during the live. And if you just want to sit back and listen and watch and laugh because we have a lot of fun, then feel free. If you can't make it on Monday, that is fine. Just by inscribing, you'll get the link to the recording, and in both cases, you can watch the recording as often as you like. So with that, let's focus on getting our paintings to the highest level that we can with a very clear direction this Monday, the 2nd of February. I'll see you then.